Do you want photos taken with Galaxy devices to look more vibrant and realistic on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can enable Super HDR to automatically display a wider range of colors, brightness, and contrast when viewing compatible photos. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility feature. Scroll down the screen. Find Super HDR, then simply turn it on. When enabled, your phone will automatically adjust the display to show the full range of color and contrast in compatible photos taken with Galaxy devices. This can make images appear more vibrant, more detailed, and closer to how they look when they were captured. Highlights can appear brighter, shadows can show more detail, and colors may look richer on supported content. However, if you prefer a more standard viewing experience, you can turn Super HDR off at any time. The change only affects how compatible photos are displayed on your phone. It doesn't modify or edit the original image file. And that's how you enable or disable Super HDR on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.